Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022. And in today's video, we are going to continue on with the van build series. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about my bed setup. And my God, it is freezing in this van. It's currently 34 degrees in my van, and in probably one of the future videos, we're gonna test out heating up this van with my Mr. Buddy heater that I have, but that's gonna be in the next video. But today what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the mattress that I picked out, that I found on Amazon. And spoiler alert, I absolutely love it. If you're looking for a mattress that's thicker than just a 3-inch topper or whatever, this is definitely the mattress for you. I can't tell you, so comfortable. Let's just put it that way. Let me flip you back over to the clip when I first unboxed the mattress. I purchased from Amazon a 9-inch thick, full-size foam mattress. I'm not sure what the brand is. I will leave it. I'll put it on the screen here, and I will leave a link to it in the description box. I will keep you guys posted in future videos as to, you know, how comfortable it is and stuff like that. So let me put my phone down and get this unboxed and into the van to expand. This is what it looks like out of the box, and now I just got to get this out to the van and get the plastic off and let it expand. So what I did was I put a mattress cover over the mattress to kind of protect it some. I got this on Amazon. And this is a sheet set that I picked up from Christmas tree shop. I did a video on my channel a few months ago, and it also came with a matching pillowcase that I just kind of have here to make like a little seating area on top of my deck box. But what I'm really obsessed about is my bedding that I found. Now, this bedding is a duvet cover with a comforter inside of it, and I am just obsessed with the fact that it is reversible. You can go with this dark teal green option, or you can just let all of the sunflowers in their glory shine. I am just totally obsessed with this duvet set. Now, this set came with the 2 pillow shams and the duvet cover. I had to buy the comforter separately to make this whole set. Now, this is a full-size mattress. I feel it's plenty of room for 2 people. Right now, as of now, it's only been myself and Duders, with Duders taking up the majority of the bed. Now, at the end here, I have this yellow soft blanket, and of course, this is Duders' blanket. He absolutely loves to burrow underneath it. I just leave it on top of the bed, and he just does his chihuahua duty of, you know, I spin it around, and he just digs right underneath it and sleeps. Now, this little lap pad I picked up, I believe at Five Below, and I love this to just put on my lap, and I can put my iPad on there to be able to watch movies, or it's even enough room for me to put my laptop on there if I want to do some editing of videos, etc., doing some office work. I can just do it right from the comfort of my bed. All in all, I am extremely happy with the way that my bed looks. It just makes me smile whenever I look at it. Now, mind you, this bed was already, the frame was already created and attached to the sides of the van when I purchased the van. I did nothing to change that up. The only thing I did do is I did create this like sleeve underneath the bed frame for me to be able to have my resin pour table available for me to easily use as a work spot. Now, this other area underneath the head of the bed, I just decided to put some hoodies underneath there to kind of, save space. You're always looking to save space when it comes to storage in a van. So yeah, why not just put some extra clothes in there? And next to the bed, there's like this little open area where I had to build the wall out. Now this wall is a pretty sturdy wall, and I thought what I would do with this area is maybe I could stick some jeans or some towels or something like that in there to kind of take up that space and have just room for putting the bulkier items behind there next to this deck box that has my Yeti cooler on top of it right here. So yeah, anything you can do to be able to save space and be able to maximize storage in a van. Another good thing about having this bed frame already kind of like pre-set up for me is that it is a little bit higher than usual, which I was kind of concerned with, especially because if you've been a part of my channel for a while, you know that I have a really tiny, small 8-pound Chihuahua, and he definitely can't get up here on his own. So I have to lift him to put him up in bed, which means he can't get down in the middle of the night. But he actually does really good. He doesn't ask to get down in the middle of the night, and he just waits for the morning to go on his potty break. But because it's up higher, heat rises, which I thought that would be a really good plus for when you're trying to heat the van at night and you're trying to stay warm inside of the van. And it also has a ton of room underneath, like a ton of storage, which I'll get into that in more detail when I do my full van tour, which will be coming up probably in the near future. I just have a few more areas of the van that I wanted to highlight in this like van build series. So anyways, I am going to end this video today at the bed. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you are not yet subscribed, why not subscribe? Hit that notification bell and become notified as to when I upload new videos. You guys enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye guys. Med skills.